Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some exciting news about the upcoming Meta Quest 3 Lite or Quest 3S. It might look like a strange mashup of the Quest 2 and Quest 3 kind of mashed together, but I promise don't let the appearance fool you. It's going to be a great deal if it comes out for the price we expect it to be. At a rumored price of just $299, it could be an incredible value for VR enthusiasts, especially ones just starting out or looking for an upgrade from the Quest 2. So let's break down everything you're going to need to know. VR Insider Luna recently spilled some major details about this rumored headset, which might be called the Meta Quest 3S. Although Meta hasn't officially confirmed anything yet, here's what we've gathered. First off, let's talk about the specs. According to Luna, here's what we can expect from the Quest 3 Lite. The chipset's going to be the same as the Quest 3, with the Qualcomm Snapdragon XR2 Gen 2, which is going to be quite heftier than the Quest 1 processor, so it'll pretty much get the same performance as the Quest 3, but with the lower display, because the display is going to be a single fast switching LCD that's 1832 by 1920 pixels. I'm pretty sure this might actually just be the Quest 2 display and lenses, because it's also the same refresh rate at 90 to 120 Hertz. And the lenses it's going to be using is the Fresnel lenses with 3 positions, just like the Quest 2. It's going to have IPD adjustment with the Quest 2 style glasses spacer. The sensors are going to be 4 IR tracking cameras, 2 4-megapixel RGB pass-through cameras, which will be nice because it'll have colored pass-through, and 2 IR illuminators. The controllers are going to be the Touch Plus controllers, which are way better than the Quest 2 Ring controllers in my opinion. The software is going to be pretty much the same between both headsets, except for it might be a little more snappier if you're coming from a Quest 1 or 2. And for the biggest question you guys might have, how is this going to stack up against the Quest 3? While the Quest 3 Lite or S might not match the Quest 3 in every aspect, it's still impressive for a device at this price point. So here's a quick comparison. The resolution is 30% lower than the Quest 3, which is the same as the Quest 2. The lenses are Fresnel lenses, less advanced than the Quest 3 pancake lenses, which are honestly my favorite lens so far. The field of view is going to be slightly less, probably about 95 FOV if I would guess. It will have the same chipset, however with a lower resolution and a faster processor. I assume it might actually be a lot more snappier than people actually expect, because it's not pushing as many pixels as the Quest 3. The pass-through cameras are going to be identical to the Quest 3, 2 IR illuminators instead of a single depth sensor. So I'm really interested to see how that impacts your experience. In short, if these specs are accurate, the Quest 3 Lite could offer the most of features of the Quest 3 at a fraction of the price. It's set to be a strong contender, especially if it hits the rumored price tag of just $299. Of course, we don't know the official price of it, its name, or its official specs. These are just insider leaks and rumors that we're getting together, so you guys kind of know what to expect, and hopefully we're right. And if it is true, we're going to have a fantastic deal with a VR headset. I'm speculating we'll see some details hopefully in the next couple months. So let me know your thoughts down in the comments, because I'm pretty interested to hear. And also don't forget to hit subscribe and make sure you stay tuned for the latest updates.